Welcome to a world where knowledge knows no bounds, where passion meets dedication, and where learning becomes an experience. Welcome to academia, your very own learning hub. We are a close-knit community of enthusiastic students from the prestigious Delhi University. Our diverse group comprises of members from Ramjas College, Miranda College, Hindu College, SRCC College, Deel Singh College, Venkateshwara College, and the renowned Stevens College. Our collective mission is to simplify education, making it accessible, enjoyable, and above all, beneficial for all. At academia, we believe that learning can be as exciting as you make it. Our content is designed to cater to a wide range of syllabus topics covered in Delhi University, from the intriguing world of physics, the dynamic realm of economics, to the rich tapestry of history, and the fascinating intricacies of philosophy. We've got you covered. Our videos are not just lectures. They are interactive, engaging, and designed to stimulate your curiosity. We delve into the depths of each subject, bringing to light the concepts that often seem elusive. We unravel the complexities, making them easy to digest and easier to remember. But we don't stop at just the syllabus. Our content stretches beyond the confines of textbooks, taking you on a journey into the vast expanse of knowledge that exists out there. We introduce you to the pioneers of each field, their groundbreaking theories, and the impact they have on our world today. And the best part? You don't have to go through this journey alone. Join the academia community, a group of like-minded individuals who share your thirst for knowledge. Engage in enlightening discussions, share your insights, and learn from others. So, are you ready to embark on this intellectual journey? Are you ready to challenge your limits, to expand your horizons, and to redefine your understanding of the world? Then join us at academia, and let's start learning together. After all, the world is a classroom, and we are all lifelong students. Welcome to academia, where learning never stops.